Welcome. My name is Dr. Anita Abu Adra, and I will be your instructor for the Introduction to Occupational Therapy course. This is a 4-credit course that meets Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. And during the day, you will have a 15-minute break, and you will have a 30-minute break when possible. This course is dynamic in that it includes guest speakers, PowerPoint presentations, student presentations, in-class activities, worksheets, homework, and so much more. What is most important is to remember that student participation is a vital part in your educational journey. This course provides general knowledge about the field of occupational therapy through the study of its history, philosophy, and scope of practice. Additionally, this course includes information on foundations associated with the field of occupational therapy, licensure laws, and important healthcare regulations. Other topics in this course would include learning about the theoretical models of intervention, concepts that promotes occupation-centered care, and evidence-based resources as it pertains to the healthcare continuum. Wow, that sounds like a lot of information, and I just can't wait to share it with you all. See you soon.